Ever pondered about the dreams and goals that make your heart flutter? The ones that keep you up at night, igniting an undeniable spark within you? Yes, those. Now imagine having a tangible representation of these dreams, a vision board if you will, a visual map that can lead you straight to your goals. Intriguing, isn't it? Step 1 in this journey involves gathering your materials. You'll need a board. It could be a corkboard, poster board, or even a digital board. Next, you'll need magazines, scissors, glue, or pins. If you're going digital, you'll need an app or software where you can create collages. Now, onto the second step, brainstorming your goals. Take a moment to close your eyes and visualize your ideal life in all areas, be it career, relationships, personal growth, health, or wealth. Write down everything that comes to mind. Remember, there are no limits to your dreams. Once you've clearly defined your goals, you're ready for step 3, finding images and words that represent these goals. Go through magazines or search online. Look for images, quotes, or words that resonate with your dreams. Cut them out and set them aside. Step 4 is where the magic truly begins. Arrange these images and words on your board. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's your board, your rules. You can choose to organize it by categories, or you can mix everything up. Once you're happy with the arrangement, secure everything with glue or pins. If you're working digitally, simply drag and drop your images and save your work. The final step, step 5, is to place your vision board somewhere you can see it daily. The bathroom, your office, your bedroom, anywhere that ensures regular interaction with your board. Now that we've walked through the steps of creating a vision board, let's recap. Firstly, you need to gather your materials, a board and some magazines, scissors, glue, or pins, or digital collage software. Secondly, brainstorm your goals. Visualize your ideal life in all its glory and jot down everything that comes to mind. Thirdly, find images and words that align with your goals. Search through magazines or online to find these. Fourthly, arrange and secure these images and words on your board. Remember, it's your board, so arrange it in a way that speaks to you. Lastly, place your vision board somewhere you'll see it often. This will serve as a constant reminder of your goals and dreams. Creating a vision board is more than just a fun craft project. It's a powerful tool that can help you manifest your dreams into reality. It's a visual representation of your hopes, dreams, and aspirations. It's a daily reminder that your goals are valid and attainable. So go ahead, start your vision board today. You're just 5 steps away from visualizing your dreams into reality. Because remember, if you can dream it, you can achieve it.